Hello my people, this is your boy Paul from Hair by Paul. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do tutorials, reactions, interviews, and everything to do with your hair because we care about your looks. Today we are going to talk about bridal styling. So first and foremost, as a bride, same way you book a photographer and videographer, that's the way you are supposed to book a hairstylist. That is the part so many brides huwa wanasahau sana, especially when it comes to the last day. Unapata bride the last day wanaenda kutafuta stylist wa kumtengeneza nywele, so inakuwa a bit of ametengenezwa style yenye haifai kuwa, makeup yenye amefanywa haiperekani na style. So the reason why you book before is to avoid disappointments on your biggest day. You book like 2 weeks before or a month depending on the schedule of your stylist. On the other hand, gown ni kitu ya maana sana, and this is a mistake that stylists hawajuangi. So when you're doing the consultation to your client or rather bride, you should know the type of the gown yenye ako nayo. This will help you in doing the style yenye itaperekana na hiyo gown. For today, I've decided to do updo style for my client because this style huanga sana sana inaperekana na African culture. For this style, I have decided to use front kinky. You also need to have gel, pin, and bladder. Process when you divide your line, you spray some water. This is water. So the next thing, this is called pro tip. This is what I use. You still use this Mikala styling gel. This is good for both the natural hair and the relaxed hair. So let me see. You divide your hair in two. You apply your gel to that. You apply your gel. And to the part that you are styling. So these are rubber bands that I use. They are very good when it comes to, like you can see, her hair is relaxed. Chukua kama mbili, 2. You expand them like that, going down. So that's the first part. Second part now, from here, is enough. Hapa kuna mistake sana sana stylist wanakuanga kifanya, and this is not professional. Unapata mtu ameenda kutengeneza bride, ameweka bladders kwa mkono. That is not professional. Unafaa kuzichukua ukiweka kwa the partitioned area. So you can see now we have two parts. They're almost the same. The first part you divide from ear to ear. That is down part. Then the second line, you divide going up from ear to ear. Let's see the third part. So the third part now is when now you partition on the upper side of the ear. From this place now, going down. So after you partition, you spray water. Now you partition, you spray water, then you apply your gel. So after that I use my tail comb to comb the hair. Then I take my bladders. These two, now you put it here, then you pull out the hair, put it like that, then pull down, and after that you can pull out the hair. So you have this part, the third part now. You twist down. So like now you can see we have 4 parts. This is bigger part because it's the one that is going to hold the pin up that I'm going to do here. Here is about creativity. So you are going to see what I'm going to do. I need this hair to be like natural hair. So you split it. As you can see now, it looks like natural hair. So now you can see the front kinky that I had, now it looks like exactly natural hair. Remember, we are African and African is our business. So this hair looks like natural hair. So the next part now is fixing after you split them. Now you start fixing. Now the part of the fixing, we have these pins. This is what I use. The hair clips. Yes. So twist this. You make a bantu knot here. The same way. Put other bantu knots here. We have now 4 bantu knots, and we have partitioned our hair into 4 parts. Now the next thing is to fix this hair. Okay, now as you can see, we have 4 parts now, divided parts, and they have fixed the hair here. As you can see, hii hapa mbele ni mingi, inaenda ikiwa dogo up to the last one. So the next part is now styling. Remember in the last video that I was training about dreadlocks, I talked about the highest point of eyebrows. So before you do any style that is coming to the forehead, make sure that you use the highest point of eyebrows. Another mistake that people use while styling, unapataga mtu anachukua pins anazishika na mdomo. It's not supposed to be that way. Unafaa ukitoa pin, then you make sure iko kwa mkono. You're supposed to use your fingers to expand, then you put it in. So remember, tukitoka hapa tunaenda tukifold, unaona? So you pin down then you fold, eh? Remember, as I said, we are doing to the highest point of eyebrows. Look at this point. When you come to the other side, look at this point. So, no matter the style that you are going to do, remember, it should be at the highest point of eyebrows. So you can see now, after this, you make sure your style is balanced. You can see the front part, you can see the rust part here. As you can see here, nimeingia ndani kidogo kwa sababu this part, this is the biggest part that is now heading to the highest point of eyebrows. This part still you can see. Ndio maana nimeirudisha ndani so that it may expand on the forehead. So that's it about bridal. It's not only this style, there are so many styles that we do. So next time I'm going to show you how to do human hair for brides, and it's gonna be amazing just like today. We did updo. And with that, we have come to the end of video. Remember to watch, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video where we shall be talking more about this topic.